morning, Southwest Middle School. I'm Dylan Ponwaz.
And I'm Jude Reed.
And here are your morning announcements for Monday, October 15th, AB Day.
Don't forget that tomorrow is Picture Retake Day, kids. Be sure to bring your smiles.
There are no after-school activities this Thursday due to parent-teacher conferences.
The Scholastic Book Fair is here at Southwest Middle School. Come check out some great books and other items for sale.
Speaking of, let's get out our book bingo cards.
Yes.
Well, bam!
Cool.
Now, if you could draw 2 cards.
The 2 books today are Fate of the Gods and Somewhere There Is Still a Sun. That's right, Fate of the Gods and Somewhere There Is Still a Sun. Good luck!
Start collecting your unwanted clothing. Our Southwest Middle bands will be collecting unwanted clothing with sabers. Please drop off your donations to our parking lot on Saturday, October 27th from 9 a.m. to 5
p.m.
This clothing drive will benefit the band, Vietnam Vets, Epilepsy Foundation, and Big Brothers and Big Sisters.
Mrs. Reinhardt's advisor will be collecting shoes for the Shoe Water Crew Project Shoe Drive. They will be collecting lightly worn tennis shoes, sandals, and croc-like shoes, but no high heels. The size of the shoe does not matter, and they will be collected in the bins located at the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade hallways until this Friday, October 19th. Thank you for your donation.
Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday!
What's cooking at Southwest Middle School? Today on the lunch menu there is bow tie chicken and Alfredo sauce or barbecue chicken. And the side is steamed broccoli, diced pears, or garden bar.
In the Sentinel line we have Domino's. Thanks and have a great day, Southwest Middle School.